Hey guys. So I haven't been vlogging for a while, especially about my car. But a lot of things happen and going on, and I've been busy, and it's traffic right now. I just actually came out from work, and it's raining, so I'm stuck here in traffic. So I have time, and I'll figure out why not, do this vlog that I've been wanting to do. Okay, now it's really about what's going on with my car, this build, my Toyota Corolla AE101. So lately this car's been having a lot of problems. By the way, her name is Ash, because I repainted her to Battleship Gray from silver. So that's her name. And Ash has been having a lot of problems lately. So it started from doing a toge, and I've been having problems like sound, a really squeaking sound from my front wheel, and that's a lot of issues right there. Okay, but when I first checked it, my brake pads does not have the clips. Basically, my paint shop didn't put back the clips when they removed the brakes, because I had them change my stud bolts to extended, because right now I'm having a spacer, because I have a wide wheels which is 205, and it's hitting my suspension, so I need to have a spacer, and my stud bolts is not enough, right? So I changed my stud bolts, but the paint shop then returned the clips, so my brake pads were not secured, and it's touching the disc, and that's been making the noise. However, when we change the clips, I still have that noise, right? So it's very stressful, but hey, that's what you get with old cars, right? Now upon checking it again, it's another problem, and this time it's my wheel bearing. Okay, and I've changed my wheel bearing. That too is a lot of headache, because it's a lot of process. You have to remove the axle and all that stuff, and after having my bearing pressed, there's also a problem there that they have to refill something of the metal. I don't know the details, but they took care of that, and it solved the problem. However, again, there's still that noise, right? So this time when I have to check, it's the metal panel cover of the disc. So what they did when they changed my stud bolt, they just chopped the metal or cut it something. They didn't remove that properly, and from that cutting, it's touching the metal, was touching the disc, and that's also making the noise. However, that was an easy fix. They just have to properly align the cut metal, and that fixed the problem. Okay.